All right. Well, good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Freelance Channel Hangout. It's been a while since I have, chatted with you guys. So today it's going to be some updates and at the same time some announcements, and we'll go and discuss through the course of this evening's hangout. Now, I would like to check on who's online, and if you are watching, just leave your comment. Say comment live if you are watching live, and probably if you are watching this as a replay, you can go ahead and type hashtag replay. Okay, so before we go ahead and get started, let me just go ahead and check some of the things I have in here. Now, this is not going to be a very long live stream. It's just going to be just a brief announcement and something that would really make sure that I update you, because I wanted to really connect with you guys and really get to know where you're at with your freelancing. Now, you're probably hearing something in the background, so that's a live. So today, first thing that I would like for us to talk about is we're going to get started in the coming weeks. We're going to get started with a bunch of video series. All right. So I'm planning. I already have it in line. There's already a video series that is in line for you guys. And this is primarily to help not only those who are beginners, but also those who have been working as a freelancer, but have been in a place where they are in a plateau, or have felt like they are stagnating. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. We're going to have a video series, and this will be different courses of video series. And not only that, we'll also, in line with the video series, we'll also invite fellow freelancers who are into this specific topic that we're going to discuss. So, in line with the video series that I have in mind, is the first and foremost, of course, is how to make money online series. All right. Now, it's not only to make money online, but it's more on augmenting what you already have as a freelancer, what you already have as your primary source of income, and creating out of this new avenues so that you will be able to really, crush it. So first thing in our how to make money online series, I've seen this topic in different groups, so I'd like to discuss it and add my personal twist to it. So that's it. Transcription. Okay, I have worked as a transcriptionist for quite a while, and I think I have some great things that I can share with you guys in terms of what are the things that we should be looking into if we're going into transcription. So if you would like to learn about transcription, so be sure to subscribe and make sure that you click on that bell so that you get notified once we have this topic. Or you just have to, watch your news feed or your notifications, because this will be delivered to you before we actually go through that session on transcription. Now, another topic that I would like also to discuss about how to make money online is second, podcast editing. Now, for podcast editing, this is primarily the source of income that I have right now. About 80% of my income comes from podcast editing. And this is a trend that is already out there. Probably some of you are already benefiting out of this trend, because this is a booming industry. Let's just say that it's like the golden age of podcasting. Not only in the US, but also in different countries. And as you probably have seen or heard, the biggest podcast listeners are from Spain. And South Korea is also a big audience. There are also a lot of listeners out there. And people are creating podcasts almost every day. So this is a hot topic, and at the same time, a trending skill, where a trending industry where you can really make money. So we're going to talk about podcast editing. How can start podcast as a podcast editor or a podcast VA? All right. Now, if you have questions, just interact, leave the comment, and I'll be happy to check it out and see if I can answer those questions that you have. Now, the third thing that I would like also to discuss about how to make money online in the future in our video series is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, it's been there for ever since. You just don't know that you're actually already doing affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing is simply, recommending products or services to people you know, or to people that you think might need of that service or of that product. So affiliate marketing, how can you get started with affiliate marketing, and what are the best ways to promote your affiliates so that you can earn residual income or passive income? So that's one of the topics that I would also like to discuss in our How to Make Money series. And another thing, there you go, e-commerce. Now, everybody these days purchases online, buys online, shops online. So it's something that is no longer So this is something that is no longer, remotely done or remote to us, or something that's new to us. We can shop on our phone, or on our mobile phone, or on our tablet. We can do it. So it's really an industry that you just need to do some, learning, and you'll probably get clients and products that you can promote and sell to augment, just to add to your source of revenue. All right, so those are that's the fourth. And the fifth one that I would like to add into the mix on how to make money online video series that we're going to have is YouTube. All right, so you probably heard how people have been earning on YouTube, how they have been creating income passively through YouTube videos like this, or videos, tutorials, and there are just a few things that you need to learn how you can really monetize, not only from YouTube, but at the same time incorporating the other part of this topics that I have previously mentioned, which is affiliate marketing, transcription, and all those stuff. So those are the things that I would like to include in our How to Make Money Online series. Now, if you have any specific topic that you would like to add into these How to Make Money series, I would appreciate if you can leave those in the comments. And if you have specific people in mind that you think are, a guru or someone who you look up to in terms of this specific topics that we have, leave those in the comments, and I'd be happy to get in touch with them and probably invite them so that we can have a listen to what they say. Have a listen to what they know and learn from them for these topics that we have outlined here. All right. So those are for the How to Make Money series. Now, let me just pull up another topic that we have. Okay. Now, a lot of you are freelancers. Well, a lot of the people who have been watching the Freelance channel are freelancers from the Philippines who, in one way or another, have difficulty with registration with the BIR, or settling their taxes, trying to legitimize their business, their online business. And this is a question and a topic that is something that I would also like to address. Actually, it's been on my mind for quite a while. I just needed to have a concrete setup on how to really get everything out and start from the beginning to really guide those who have not yet hurdled this area. And that is registering our businesses or your freelance business with the BIR. So that is what we're going to also include in our video series, BIR Business Registration and Taxation. Okay, so that's one thing. All right, so another area that I also would like to discuss after this one is, well, this will be a different focus. Since I am based here in Cebu City, I would like to focus on, those co-working spaces. I would like to visit some co-working spaces and present it to you guys, so that when you visit Cebu, you will know where you could probably work or where you can, spend your time if you would like to work while you are staying here in Cebu. So there are different co-working spaces here in Cebu that I am familiar with. What we're going to do is we'll go and visit them and try to present them to you so that you will know, the different features, the different offerings of these different co-working spaces. Or if you're probably here in Cebu City and you are someone who is looking for a place that has a reliable internet service where you can use it as, a virtual office where you can use to register your business, that's what we're going to talk about, because I have checked out some of these before, and I've actually tried to set up my business in a co-working space address. So we will discuss this in the future. So I hope if that is something that interests you, let me know. All right. So BIR registration, co-working spaces, make money online series. The next thing that I would like to let you know about is, of course, our new schedule. Now, I'm trying to do more videos and recording more videos so we can be more consistent. That's really the thing that I would like to address, because in terms of consistency, this is actually what's going to really make a difference. For quite a while, it's been sporadic. It's been, a few days or a few weeks, sometimes months before new videos are. Now I'm trying to get into a more disciplined posting of new videos. So I have established a new schedule. So starting next month, the schedule for our videos will be Tuesday. And on Tuesday, these are app reviews. I'm sure you've seen one of those app reviews. Now we're going to talk about different apps, not only web apps or mobile apps. We are also going to talk about reviews of software as well as hardware. Say, for example, computer, laptop, desktop, microphone, or things that will help us be productive or do the work that we are doing as freelancers. All right, so that's for Tuesday. For Thursday, we'll have topics about productivity, services, and freelancing tips that we're going to post. And on Saturday, just like what we have today, this is for our Freelance Hangout. And this is where we can, shout out our frustrations for the week or our victories or our accomplishments and achievements for the week. So this will be the place, or this will be the time that you can join me and we can just discuss and share things that you have gone through the week. All right. So that will be our new schedule: Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And finally, before I end this live stream, I'm also, for next month, we'll also have our first giveaway. And this is actually part of the plan, heading into my 10th year anniversary as a freelancer. I can't believe that I'm actually on my 10th year, and that will be on August. So, in line to that anniversary that I'm going to have as a freelancer, we'll go ahead and do some giveaway for you guys. So I hope you stick around and be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So the giveaway for the first month, well, I'm looking at getting you this one. This is there you go. So this is the Logitech K375S. So this is a multi-device keyboard, which I'm currently using right now. So this is a plug. This is not a sponsored, but this is something that I would like to share with you, and we'll go through the mechanics in the coming videos. So you have to stick in. You have to be sure that you subscribe, and I'll keep you posted on how you can join in this giveaway for the Logitech K375S. All right, so that is it for me. Okay, so I won't take much of your time. I'll go ahead and I thank you so much. If you're watching this via replay, you can still leave those comments, and I'll still go ahead and answer those if you have any questions or suggestions. So once again, my name is Florante, and thank you so much for supporting the Freelance channel. Live the dream life without leaving the home.